Hello and welcome to this weather update. We have a line of strong to severe thunderstorms that is approaching our area. It formed in New Jersey a couple of hours ago. Well, now it is making its move to the east, and some of these there's some severe thunderstorm warnings out. Looks like for Westchester County, parts of Bergen County, into Fairfield County, and this could wind up being extended into our area very shortly. So this is a line of some pretty impressive thunderstorms. And again, we are in March. Let me remind you, we are in March here. It's not even technically spring yet. The lightning was pretty impressive. So take a look at this. I have take some video for you of the lightning. All right, I'm actually using an old camera, my old camera here, to show you because I still don't have. Oh, there you go. There's lightning up there. Yeah, we have thunderstorms on the way. But just showing you some of the lightning from the top here. I know this is my old camera. I went to the top of the parking garage to show you what it looks like. Ooh, that's some nice flashing right there. So this is really nice to watch and highly unusual for March. Look at that. Alright, so I'll just show you again the thunderstorms. Here's what's crazy. You have lightning going over here. And then if you look over here, look what we have, the moon and clear sky right above our head. Isn't that crazy? It's very dark up here. I don't think I'm even supposed to be up here. It's like a parking garage here in Mineola, but look at this view. It's amazing. Anyway, let's get out of here. So you see the lighting was pretty impressive putting out by these storms. And again, a very, very warm day today. I mean, it was ridiculously warm in Toms River. It was in the mid-70s. And if we look at the Ventus sky, you will see that it's still very warm in Toms River. They're right now in the mid-60s, while Long Island is in the 50s. We're in the low and middle 50s. A little warmer on the North Shore, but low and middle 50s, and upper 40s on the South Shore. But you can see the warmth here, and this is what's triggering the thunderstorms. And I think when they hit this cooler air, I would think they would weaken. But let's take the clock back now to around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon here, and show you the warmth. So over Long Island, we were in the South Shore was in the 50s, but if you went to the North Shore, it actually managed to get up into the mid 60s. And then in Toms River, look at that, mid 70s, which is insane, 75. So very, very warm conditions over Toms River. And you can see here's the warning on the map. And we'll just go over some of the highs, a few of them today. I'll put a map up when I do the weather update, another weather update, and the next weather update. I don't have time right now, but it hit 59 at Farmingdale. And we can take a look at West Hampton, a little light rain there, 51, and it hit 55 at West Hampton. But if we go into the city, it was already warmer in the city. Let's go to Central Park, 64 right now. So you see how much warmer it is in the city, and they got up to 75 in the city, so quite warm in the city. Actually, it did wind up getting quite warm. And these dew points are up there too, mid-50s. That's humid for March. Not supposed to be like that at all. Let's go and look at New Jersey. Let's go and look at Toms River. And take a look at the highs. So it's 60 there. It's 60 degrees right now. Dew point 56. Hit 75 in Toms River. Very warm. And the dew point actually got up to 60. That's like almost summertime dew points. That's almost crazy. That is crazy. That is crazy. But the main thing that we're dealing with right now is the thunderstorms. So again, this is what it looked like around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It was quite warm. Just baking. You could see this is really an easy way to see how much hotter it is in Jersey. And you look over Long Island, it's a lot cooler. And again, this is why Jersey is not a place I don't think I could ever survive because of the heat there. And the climate change is going to make it even that much worse in Jersey. It really is. It's going to make it that much worse. It's going to be hotter than it's ever been there, and more uncomfortable than it's ever been. And the other thing, of course, is the humidity, and that's something that, again, we shouldn't be seeing in March, in mid-March. You're not supposed to see air this damp. And look at these dew points, 50s, and even some, like I said, some 60-degree dew points up along the Jersey Shore. This is insane. So let's take you to earthknowlesschool.net and show you again what's going on. So you can see the warmth that's coming up the East Coast here on this representation of the temperature. You see, look, this air is coming right out of the tropics. Look at that. See that? And it's all up the East Coast. And this is all part of the same storm system that caused that crazy blizzard in Denver. Crazy blizzard. We're going to talk about that in the next weather update. Right now, we got to deal with our own weather situation, but I do want to really talk about that because that was very unusual. And this again is all being caused by climate change. And there was actually a movement today. A lot of students took off from school, walked out of class to talk about the climate emergency we're in. I actually saw a protest right here in Mineola. So a lot of students, school students, high school students, grade school students, took off from school to talk about this. We are in a climate emergency. Thunderstorms in March. Summer weather in March is not something we're supposed to have, but because of climate change, it is something we are now seeing. So again, let's look at this radar again, and you can see some really impressive thunderstorms heading for, it looks like Connecticut. So anyone in southern Connecticut, one of my viewers is in southern Connecticut, they're about to get hammered by a really bad thunderstorm. And there's a lot of lightning with these. It looks like they did take the warnings down. I think they will weaken when they hit the marine air. But, nothing is guaranteed. This is highly unusual for March to be talking about squall lines and severe thunderstorms. But yet, here we are.